Hey guys, hope you're having a good Sunday. I have been prepping this afternoon and I wanted to show you what it is that I've prepped, and so here we go. I'm going to turn the camera down so you can see my cooktop or my worktop. One of the things that I did was I cut up some lemons so that I can have them for water and other things this week. I have celery sticks. I actually have 2 things of celery sticks. I cut up one whole stalk of celery, and that's how much I got. I will be using that for veggies and dip for lunches as well as dinners, chopping it up, sauteing it as a side dish or whatever. So last night I made a whole chicken, and so this afternoon I went ahead and I pulled all the chicken meat off the bones and I chopped it up so we can use this to top salads or you know, make into casseroles or whatever it is that we decide to do with this week. So I've got that chicken, and then what I did is I took my bones, and as you can see, I have cat and kid in the background. I have started my bone broth for today with some of the leftover celery from yesterday, or from last week I should say. I put that in there as well. I also have 5 portions of salad, and my husband wanted me to make him some pimento cheese spread to use with his pork rinds this week, so I've done that as well. I like salad dressing, so I went ahead and made up a bunch of salad dressing for myself. And what I did is I used sour cream, a little bit of rice vinegar, and my favorite spices, and I just mixed it all up in there so that I don't have to make it up every time. But if you're wondering what this is right here, let me show you. This is what I'm gonna have for breakfast this week, and actually it looks really bad. I mean, it is not pretty at all. But what it basically is I took some turkey breakfast sausage, and I had 2 packages of turkey breakfast sausage and 2 eggs, and I mixed it together and I put them in patties, and then I went ahead and I put a little square of Swiss cheese. So 2 of these are going to be 1 serving for lunch, and as you can tell, this right here is actually the cheese that bubbled out. So it's just a really simple recipe that I wanted to try this week because I wanted to cut down on the amount of eggs that I was eating, because for me eggs can be problematic. So I decided to try a new recipe that I just made up myself, and see how it is, if it helps me with my week. 2 of those are a serving, so I have 6 servings here because there's 12 muffin cups. And in the oven I have a dozen chicken legs, and I've packed them in really nice and tight in a 9x13, and I brushed them with melted ghee, poultry seasoning, and lemon juice. So I'm really excited to have those as part of our lunches or meals for the week. Tomorrow night, my oldest daughter and her boyfriend are coming for dinner, and I haven't decided if we're gonna do chuck roast or if we're going to do beef and pork ribs. So if you think I should do the pork ribs, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you think I should do the chuck roast, please comment down below. So what do you think of my prep this week? It took me about 2 hours to do. So there you go. I hope you liked this video today, and I hope you guys have a great week.